Let's talk candy. Specifically, let's talk about gummy bears. Those chewy fruity treats have been a staple in candy aisles for decades. It all started in Germany in 1920. A man named Hans Riegel, a confectioner with a dream, created a company called Haribo. That's a combination of his name and his city, Bonn. His first creation, the dancing bear, a predecessor to the gummy bear we know and love. These weren't just any candies, they were made with gelatin, a novel ingredient at the time. This gave them a unique, chewy texture that set them apart. People loved them. Word spread like wildfire, and soon, Haribo gummy bears were a national sensation. But Riegel wasn't done. He knew he had something special. Today, Haribo is a global phenomenon. They produce millions of gummy bears every single day. That's right, millions. These chewy treats have captured the hearts and stomachs of people all over the world. But how do they do it? What's the secret behind these addictive little bears? Let's step inside the Haribo factory and find out. We'll follow the journey of a gummy bear from its humble beginnings as raw ingredients to its final destination, your taste buds. Every great culinary creation starts with quality ingredients. The gummy bear is no exception. The base of a gummy bear is surprisingly simple. We're talking sugar, glucose syrup, gelatin, and water. These are the building blocks of that signature gummy texture. The sugar provides sweetness, of course. The glucose syrup helps to create a smooth, consistent texture. Gelatin, derived from collagen, is the magic ingredient that gives gummy bears their signature chew. And water? Well, water brings it all together. But it's not just about the basics. Haribo takes flavor seriously. They use a blend of fruit and plant extracts to create a rainbow of delicious flavors. From tangy lemon to sweet strawberry, each gummy bear packs a concentrated burst of fruity goodness. And of course, we can't forget the colors. Haribo uses natural food colorings to give each gummy bear its vibrant hue. Now let's talk about the fun part, shaping the gummy bears. This is where the magic really happens. Haribo uses a specialized molding process to create those iconic bear shapes. It all starts with a giant tray of cornstarch. This might seem odd, but there's a method to the madness. The cornstarch acts as a mold. It's pressed into the tray, creating thousands of tiny, bear-shaped indentations. Next comes the gummy mixture. It's heated to a specific temperature to ensure a smooth, even flow. Then it's poured into the cornstarch molds with incredible precision. Haribo has a team of dedicated designers who are constantly refining the gummy bear mold. They're always looking for ways to improve the shape, the details, and even the smile of the gummy bear. And they take their job seriously. After all, these are the molds that will shape millions of gummy bears. Section 4. Time and Shine. The making of a gummy. Once the gummy mixture is poured, it needs time to set. The trays are carefully moved to a drying room, where they'll spend the next several hours in a controlled environment. During this time, the gelatin sets, the flavors meld, and the gummy bears begin to take shape. But the journey's not over yet. Fresh from the molds, the gummy bears are a little dull. They lack that signature gummy bear shine. That's where the polishing comes in. Haribo uses a special glazing process to give their gummy bears that glossy sheen. It's a closely guarded secret, but we know it involves a bit of beeswax and some expert tumbling. This step not only makes the gummy bears visually appealing, it also helps to keep them from sticking together. It's all about achieving that perfect balance of flavor, texture, and appearance. And Haribo has it down to a science. Section 5. From Factory to You. At this point, our gummy bears are ready for the final stage of their journey packaging. Haribo uses high-speed machines to sort, count, and package the gummy bears with remarkable efficiency. They're inspected one last time to ensure quality control. Then they're whisked away on conveyor belts to be sealed in their iconic bags. From there, they're loaded onto trucks and shipped all over the world. Haribo gummy bears are enjoyed by people of all ages in countless countries. It's a testament to the enduring appeal of a simple, well-made treat. And it all starts with that careful attention to detail, from the selection of ingredients to the final polish. Section 6. Haribo, a global delight. Haribo's reach extends far beyond the classic gummy bear. They've created a whole menagerie of gummy creatures, from happy colas to sour worms. Each one is crafted with the same care and attention to detail that made the gummy bear a global icon, and the innovation doesn't stop there. Haribo is constantly experimenting with new flavors, shapes, and textures, ensuring that there's a gummy treat out there for everyone. So next time you pop a Haribo gummy bear into your mouth, Take a moment to appreciate the journey it took to get there. It's a testament to the power of simple ingredients, innovative techniques, and a passion for creating joy. From the heart of Germany to the world, Haribo continues to spread sweetness, one gummy bear at a time.